gents, let's get right into today's video. Another day and another dollar. You know what these videos are about. Live scalping session. I thought I'd shoot the intro in the car today for you. So let's get right into it, guys. You know what to do. Smash that like button and you're going to learn a lot of new things in this video as always. Let's go. Gentlemen, welcome guys to a brand new scalping session, and hopefully the intro to this got you locked into this video. Now, there's music in the background to help you focus. What you're about to witness is high frequency trading. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, you know guys, I've been doing this a long time. I've been doing this enough to tell you guys that I'm actually making money scalping, because I know how to handle things in the scalping world. I know what it is and what it isn't. It isn't something you can get rich from, but it's something that you can make money from. You understand? So, the NASDAQ, guys, the NASDAQ gapped up to a point where it has established history. History was made, guys, in this the last 24 hours, up 12%. Now, you've never seen this before, not while you're alive anyways. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is simple. I'm going to look at the charts and identify my support level, because after gapping up 12%, or this candle itself, as you see, never seen before, that's a 12% gap up in the NASDAQ composite. What do you expect? Do you expect the market to just go up like this again, or does it drop? Well, with every gap up, guys, whether it's a stock, whether it's forex, whether it's an index, and what we're trading is the NASDAQ US Tech 100. It's gapped up, but you have to understand that the market will need to pull back just slightly, and you can see it's already has with this red candle. But is this red candle enough to say the pullback will be big? So I'm gonna go to the daily. I'm gonna find my support on the daily. Click here, draw. Platform I'm using is in the description for you guys, just in case you ask that question. By the way, drop a comment if you're watching till to this far. It's only 2 minutes. I want you guys locked in, learning every day. Here's my support. Why is this the support? Well, what I did, guys, is grab this green candle, and remember, our support level is a green candle that looks like a cross always. And if we can't use the body of it, which is this one, then we will use the wick of it, which is the line but at the end of it. Okay, and look at this. You can see the moment this candle, the red candle, pulled back, it pulled back to this area. Now I'm gonna remove this and do it again. I'm gonna put my line right here. So this is the green candle, and I'm gonna lower it now to the hourly, and you see the hourly, it bounced right before it, and it's low liquidity at the moment. But when something bounces and you notice it bounced before the support, don't say, oh, it's recovering. No, you say there's a high chance it needs to touch the support. So what ends up happening is it could gap up and then drop down this way and then continue higher. You've seen these moves before. This is called liquidity trade. So basically goes up, traps a few people, grabs liquidity, and pulls back down. Now, this market is a little bit slow. We're gonna focus on another market, maybe the German market. Okay, German market has volatility. So this is the DAX. So what we're gonna do is go 5 minutes. And even the German market is a little bit slow. German market gapped up. Maybe the Asian market. If there is here, let's see, Hang Seng, Hong Kong. Hong Kong is brutal, by the way. You don't want to trade it because it's going to be. I'll show you. We'll trade, but we'll trade low contracts, because I know the Hong Kong 50. So let's go ahead, guys. We're gonna do, hopefully you're not getting dizzy from all of this changing of the chart. Get the candle or the line,
Put it on support. Again, we're looking for the cross sign. Cross signs, guys. Here we go. All of this is cross signs. So all of this has something like this. It doesn't have to be a specific shape. It just needs to give you one wick and one wick here. So you can see these, and you can see these in both. But there's one that has a clear one. Let me show you. It's this one right here. See where the mouse is? This is clear. This is also clear. This is clear. They're all clear, but we use this one because it has a bigger, it's more compact. You can see there's two here, so we'll just use it because there's two support levels, and that's where the market is at. So it's actually, relatively speaking, it's gonna bounce now from this level. So you see, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and open up a buy position on this. I'm gonna go 1 hour, and it's holding up. It's looking to hold up anyways. See, yeah, so if I zoom down on 15 minutes, I seen exactly that. I can get even a better support, which is right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for this candle to push down to 2806, and I'll take a long. But you see the big difference in how the points are. It's not like US Tech. You can blow an account trade in Hong Kong 50, especially when the market is open. So I'm gonna go, this is a short position to this area because we have space. So I'm gonna go 5 contracts here short and another 5 short. That gives me 10. Okay, so there it is. This is the first time I see my money in HK. Well, it's not the first time, but it's been a while, guys. It's been a while since I've traded this. So this was a sell position, which was a short, and I'm gonna look to exit before this level gets hit. So around here maybe. Okay, around here I'll take it. I'm getting scared now. Okay, I'm gonna close because I got burnt with this before, so I have to be careful. Okay, there it is. Let's see how much we made here. No, that's yeah, currency conversions. So what's that in dollars? Let's see. What is it in dollars, guys? What is it in dollars? There's a lot going on here with currency conversions. I think we're up. The loss here is just fund receivable because we're converting. So we're up 30 here and we're up 15, $45 on this trade, guys. All right, we're not done. So that's a lesson you need to know when you trade different currencies. There is a conversion. Okay, so here's the Hong Kong. Remember, it's going to our support level. So I'm actually going to open the buy position right now. 5 contracts buy. And I'm going to hit it with another 5 contracts buy. Okay, that's on 15 minutes. And by the way, you know, once you learn what I teach you, you're not limited to a specific market. You can trade any market you want. Okay, so this was a buy position and we're gonna sell 120. Beautiful. By the way, you might think HK is like little money. It's not, guys, because Hong Kong is based or pegged against the US dollar, I believe. So there it is, $40 made, and then $25 made as well. All right, so we're doing good here, but you can see how the support level is being respected. And sometimes if it slips below the support level, then that's fine. You just go to the wick. So we're gonna go for the wick now of this. Remember what I just taught you earlier? This is a perfect lesson. So I'm gonna go here. So I'm gonna use that plus sign, and I'm gonna use the wick of it. So like a sniper. You might say, well, why don't you use the big one? Well, I will if it does come here again. But for now, we're gonna use this one, and you'll see. So what's the wick? That's 2777. Okay, 2777. And again, there is this big one here. You could use that. And it was, right? But remember, you're scalping here, so the market can go up and down. So I can actually open a short here again. But let's just wait for resistance to hit. So resistance is this red candle. Now instead, you're going to be using the red plus sign, and you're going to use the wick and the body for resistance, depending which comes first. Okay? So what did I do here? Let's go back. Let's put our line right here. Beautiful. Okay, so what I can do is wait. It's coming, you see it? And we'll look for a buy position right at this area. Look at this, 20777. That's what we want. Look at the chart more than this, because there is the difference between the spreads. Okay, 277. Come on. It will come, guys. It will come. You don't have to chase it. Like with this, there's no chasing. You don't have to chase anything. If you don't get the price you want, you don't press the button. Remember that and train yourself. There it is. Almost right here. 5 contracts open. 5 contracts open. Beautiful. And remember, from here I will get a little bounce, and from here, and it will go here again. So I have to take profits on the next wiki candle, because this is a wiki candle. It'll reverse a little bit, and I'll close. If not, by the way, I'm actually doing something here that's not good, which is trading without a stop loss. So I'm just, especially with this, Trump can nuke the market any minute. So I just learned, guys, to manage things. This is pre-market, so volatility is a bit low. So just use a wide stop loss just to protect yourself. Your stop loss is your insurance. Everybody needs to use it. Okay, so it seems like we're going, or trying to go to this level. Yeah, I'm actually going to open another 5 here. That's 15 contracts open. And that's my limit, guys, when it comes to scalping. It's 15 contracts. There it is. So this was a buy. And to close it, I'll just do sell here. Or I can close manually the biggest one, which is this. I'll take $50 or 45 here. And these will wait for these to come to life. So pre-market, you don't expect big money, guys. I'm going to close manually here. Okay. Manual is better than... Yeah, I'm very careful with Hong Kong or any Asian market, because it's more volatile than US, less stable. It's been like this forever. See? Scalping very little money here, but money's money, guys. I don't like it when a candle is like this. It's a wiki candle and it's at support, but it refuses to pull back. It kind of scares me, because it can just dip heavy. And like it's trying to go to this level. Okay, I'm gonna close 25. Just have one contract open, and here is almost 50 we had. Okay. Here's 50. Beautiful. Okay, that trading session is over now. Let's look at transaction history. So $60. I think that's the conversion rate. 25, 45. It's a over $100 session, guys. So that's how you trade the Asian market. Hopefully you learned something, guys. This was a lesson on candlesticks and momentum trading. Thank you very much. Smash that like button and let me know if you watched till